Hey everybody, this is Deborah Essex. Welcome to the 24 Winnebago Navion. Wanted to introduce this to you today. It is a little bit rainy out today, so we won't be able to show the exterior, but we will have lots of pictures online. Maybe we can get a great video of it we can add to this later as well. If you have any additional questions after viewing this, please feel free to give us a call. The number here is 816-602-3433. Once again, it's Transwest RV in Belton, Missouri. This actually has really gorgeous seats. They're plush. They're very, very comfortable. It does have like a little leg extension there. Another great feature with this particular vehicle, as you can see, it is on the Mercedes chassis. So pretty much all the electronics that you have on any brand new Mercedes are going to be there. You've got an incredible stereo system, really great driving maps, all kinds of different options that you can run through your steering column to check your stats, use your cruise control, use your safety measures. Really beautiful, beautiful coach. In the front, you will see that there's lots of cup holders as well. You have two up top, two for each passenger at the base, and then you have two in the side doors. So you literally have space for each of you to have 4 different drinks as you're going down the road. The great thing is you also have a really gorgeous restroom in the back of this, so you wouldn't even have to stop anywhere. You could literally just take turns driving as far as that part goes. There are storage compartments up front as well, where you will have USB ports underneath. So you will be able to charge your phones as you're going down the road. The beauty of that is you don't have to worry about your batteries overheating. Katie's getting a really nice close-up for you of the USB ports. So if you're needing to plug something in just to let it charge, and you do have some additional storage for anything else that you're needing up front as well. As in Mercedes fashion, you do have all the seat controls on the very side of the seats. Very, very comfortable, so you can lay back, really enjoy your ride, or when you've stopped, you can actually turn the chairs completely around so that you can entertain guests in here as well. One really nice feature, you can tell this is brand new because they've kept everything covered to keep it really beautiful. This will pull completely up, so if you wanted to push it forward, if you're a little taller and don't want to bump your head on it, you can do that. But you do have a really nice space up here. Now, like I said, it is raining here today, but behind here you've got really gorgeous windows. They look absolutely fantastic from the outside. Aesthetically, it looks very, very pretty, but they also open, so you can ventilate a little fresh air through there as well. There's a nice open fan right above this area, so it'll keep it nice and cool for anybody that's staying up here. There are USB ports as well as plugins, as you can see. So, you know, if you had a laptop or maybe your kid has a video game that they want to plug in, they'd be able to do that. There's also a really beautiful reading light up here that's real bright. Works really, really well. And of course, the ladder over here to the side comes with it as well, so it's kind of out of your way as you're going down the road. For all of you that like to cook and may have accidents occasionally in the kitchen, this does come equipped with a fire extinguisher, which is right by the front door. Always a great idea in any RV to have one, just in case. We're going to walk over to the kitchen area. Really love this home faucet style that they have. It's a little more modern, really, really nice to use. Deep sinks on both sides, nice covers, just to keep everything looking good aesthetically when you're going down the road, and also to give you a little more prep station. You do have a recessed induction oven, and one thing that is kind of cool is you do have a gas burner right here as well. So for those of you that love to cook with gas, I personally do because it's real even clean. It's what I'm used to. It's really, really nice to have here as well. We do have a little storage area up here. You also have some control centers that are very easy to get to quickly if you're needing those. Right across from our living room area, they do have a theater seat. So that can actually push out to be a bed as well. It'll just kind of fold forward. And right across from it, you do have your 32-inch TV, so you could kind of be here, lounge a little bit, watch a nice show. The nice cool thing is they do have like little TV trays that you can extend, that you can house right inside of here. You're going to see the extensions for those leaves right here to the side. We will have some great pictures online as well. They'll show you those actually setting up so you can see that a little bit closer, or you can always go on the Winnebago website as well if you want to see some pictures of that. Once again, really nice cabinetry. I love the way they've actually made the push buttons for that, and this year they have really nice flannel in here and really nice hardware. The cabinetry is a little bit heavier. The hardware is a little bit better than what you may have seen in the past. So it'll help a lot with things sliding as you're going down the road. In the corner back here is the bedroom area. What I really like about it, it's actually really spacious and very bright. So if you were going to come back here and just read, there's a couple reading lights. There's a nice little tray over there. Really bright ambient lights and lots of storage overhead too. So if you want to put books or toys or clothes or whatever storage area you want, it is available. I actually had teased our photographer saying I'm not going to lay on here in heels to try to sell this beautiful couch or anything, but it is very comfortable. This is probably one of the most comfortable mattresses that I've seen in the industry in a while as far as for these type of coaches. There's a nice little 32-inch TV here too, so if you just wanted a little privacy or just some quiet time just to be able to feel alone when you get somewhere, there's a nice little privacy curtain that you can pull over to the side as well. Got this gorgeous little refrigerator over here. Who doesn't like food, right? We all love food, and it's really nice to have plenty of space, especially in the smaller units as you're going down the road. So got a nice little freezer up top too. I love the latch on it because it's very easy to open. It's actually a little bit bigger than I've seen on some of the smaller campers too. And this is actually a B+. So basically what that means is it's not quite a C, but it's just a little bit bigger than a B. It's got some different features that you wouldn't necessarily have on every travel van. It's got about $27,000 worth of additional features. A lot of that has to do with a really nice generator. You've got an Onan Cummins generator, 3,200 watts, I believe. Some really nice upgraded features. We'll have all of that posted online as well. And once again, if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Over here is our kitchen pantry area. I love the fact that they've kind of got it for multi-use. So you could actually use it as actually a clothes storage as well, which you can see they've got pull-out drawers. So if you have canned goods, cereal boxes, or anything, you can adjust, these as well, which is really, really nice. Nice little microwave here, really beautiful, put together well. I love the cabinetry once again. They have a nice storage here. It's kind of deep for a smaller coach, and I just like aesthetically how it looks. It really matches well. It's very pretty. Cute little faucet over here, and once again, space underneath. It's always great. You never have enough storage in these, it seems like, as far as that part goes. In our bathroom, which we're going to open up for you really quick. It's very spacious, nice big shower. Really gorgeous skylight in there. So for those of you that are taller, the good part is that bar that you're seeing will slide out very easily. So if you're not needing to use it to store anything, then you'd actually have more space, obviously, for the headroom. I have very tall brothers, so that being the case, obviously they'd have to take it out, but they'd give you a lot more headroom. The great news, though, is if you were snow skiing, or maybe you love water skiing and you need to let your clothes dry once you're done, you'll have plenty of room to be able to store that as well. And that's pretty much the basics of the interior of this. We hope you stop by soon. If you're not able to, just give us a call. We can always do more in-depth videos if there's anything else that you're really wanting to learn about. We're just giving you a short glimpse of this today. It is absolutely beautiful. We do have lots of different great sales going on right now. So check out our website at transwestrv.com. My name is Deborah. My number is 816-602-3433. We look forward to seeing you soon.